Top 5 Best Robot Vacuums of 2024. Best Overall Robotic Vacuum. irobot Roomba S9 Plus Self-Emptying. Users love its outstanding cleaning, smart navigation, and handy features. Best Budget Pick Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. Eufy RoboVac G30. Users value its affordable price, effective cleaning, and easy-to-use design. Best Mopping Robot Vacuum. Roborock S7 Max V Ultra. Users adore its outstanding mopping, versatile cleaning, and easy-to-use design. Best Buy for Pet Hair. irobot Roomba J7 Plus. Fans appreciate its excellent pet hair cleaning and advanced navigation. Best Quietest Robot Vacuum. Wyze Robot Vacuum. Users love its quiet operation, powerful cleaning performance, and user-friendly features.